That didn't take long. Fixed it. It took me about 15 minutes, I think, to change it over with that. So there you go, new cranks, new bottom brackets that fitted in. Beautiful. Not half as wobbly. There's a tiny little bit of play in it. None of it. Ah, cool. No play in it. It's much better. Oh. Yep. Just swapped out the spindle bearings. It's now got sealed bearings in it. Rather than a loose bearing race, I found it kept coming loose anyway. So, job done. I'm happy with that. Don't forget, guys, hit that like and subscribe, and stay safe. Enjoy riding. Cheers.